Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube channel because it was recommended. So before I start the video, I'm just going to be telling you guys that I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So you guys can go ahead and comment down below you guys' Instagram or Snapchat. So go ahead and comment down below, and then next video I'll be choosing. So yeah, okay. So I'm gonna be making a YouTube channel. As you guys all know, you need YouTube. You guys have to have an account. So I'm gonna press my thing. Then I'm gonna do your channel. Use YouTube as basically just need your name. So mine's gonna be. It's going to be a Batman. And if you don't want another name, just go ahead and, because it's not going to let you. So just go ahead and put a dot or something. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dot. Create channel. So that is how you make a YouTube channel. And remember, do not keep on changing your guys' name because you can only change it, like, I guess, okay, maybe 3 times in 98 days. So, I'm going to be showing you how to upload. So, it is pretty easy to upload, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. As you guys know, you guys are going to have to take a video first. So, go ahead and take any video because you're going to be needing a video. So, take a video and I'll show you how to upload it. Okay guys, so as I told you, you guys are going to have to press that button that's next to the search button, the one that has the camera. Just press that button, and then you have some videos. I went ahead and I took some blank videos, so just going to go ahead and choose a video. This will pop up that you have, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay. So I can go ahead and do stuff on it, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to do title. You can call it whatever you want. Hi. I'm just going to say hi, because I'm not really I'm about to delete this YouTube channel description. So I'm going to go ahead and, if I need a description, I'm just going to like, thanks. Oops, that's wrong. Just thanks. And if you guys want the comments, you guys are gonna have to download this app or just go and stuff so you can do the comments. So after you're done, you're gonna go ahead and press the upload button. Okay, so it's uploading. It's gonna tell you how much time. The longer it is, the more time it's gonna take. Because this one's like only 3 seconds. It's just gonna take 6 seconds. So I'm just going to go and wait for that. And I'll show you after it's done. Okay guys, so it is ready, so it's right over there, blank. So basically that is it. And I'm just going to tell you that your videos are not going to like pop right away. You need like at least a subscriber to or make like another video because not everyone's going to see it like at first. So yeah. So whenever you type in the name, it's not really just going to go. Let me see. Hold up. Yeah. Yeah, it's not basically going to pop up very quickly. So yeah, it's not going to pop up quickly, so you need to make a little bit more videos or at least get a subscriber or something. So yep, that is it, how to make a YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So don't forget that I'm going to be doing a giveaway it might be a paper squishy. I'm going to be making you guys something. Just go ahead and comment down your Insta or Snapchat. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to give shout outs. So, shout outs go to... Okay, guys, so as you guys all know, I gave all these people shout outs. Now it's going to be... I'm going to give Kimberly, I do not know how to pronounce that, a subscribe and a shout out. Go subscribe to her. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe to her. And this one, I'm gonna give it subscriber. Oh yeah. Alright, so now he has 193. And yeah, let's go to the next one. And then these people get a shout out too. So I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe, 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 and subscribe. Also, these two people, subscribe and subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did not forget, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and ask you what you guys want me to make here. So do not forget to go ahead and comment down below this video, you guys' Snapchat, or you guys' Instagram, so I can go ahead and not subscribe to, so I can go ahead and give you guys a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving a giveaway. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. Bye. Peace.